Hello everyone, good afternoon and Jai Hind. I am Sundram Pathak and today I am leading my team Group C. So we all know that we are having a debate on alcohol, drinking and smoking. So here we start. When people talk about drinking alcohol, they are almost always referring of consumption of ethanol. Evidence for the human consumption of alcohol does back over 10,000 years ago. Alcohol consumer should know that ethanol can directly influence their brain functions. High amount of alcohol use are casually factor in a development of a disease like heart disease, liver, pancreases and brain, including the brain of a fetal which is offspring in utero. Research has implicated a gene D2 dopamine receptor gene that, when the inherited gene in a specific form, might increase a person's chance of a developing alcoholism.
टाइम अप चलो भाई क्वेश्चंस पूछो
Jai Hind, respected sir, and all the cadets present here. My name is Aniket Sagar. I am representing my topic from Group A. My question from Miss Sundram is that she mentioned in her speech that alcohol is beneficial for heart.
No, I didn't mention it. You have heard wrong. You
Harmful.
have heard wrong. I didn't mention that alcohol is beneficial for heart.
Harmful for heart.
I didn't mention.
You mentioned it is beneficial or harmful.
I mentioned that it is harmful.
As you have mentioned that it is harmful, but I have read it somewhere that it is beneficial for our cardiovascular system, which is related to your heart.
टाइम अप क्वेश्चन आंसर दैट प्लीज
I didn't hear about it. Like I haven't read about it. That anyone of my teammates has knows about it. Sorry.
टेक द माइक
क्या मेरे को क्या बोल रहे हो ना मेरे को कोई it's the point that overconsumption of alcohol is much more dangerous than smoking, because I think that after consumption of alcohol a person lose his or her senses, after which he performs any of the activities which are harmful for the surroundings. For example, if we consume that if we smoke, we don't lose senses, but even after but after consumption of alcohol we lose our senses. And many there are data present in Google, Wikipedia and any of the sources that many of the rape cases and the other harassments are performed after taking alcohols, not smoking. So basically alcohol is much more dangerous than smoking, because any
तुम्हारा अब तुम्हारे
Yes,
हिस्से में हो
question.
गया अब next
Answering इन्होंने जो की है
फिर से आप बोलो पूछो
see gentlemen, as you are mentioning about the senses and how it affects our senses or overconsumption, I have been talking about how it affects our heart.
No, I just put it my point, sir.
आंसर टू देम आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन
As she mentioned that it is harmful for
She
heart.
has given her answer. I have put it my another point to you with adding to it.
May I?
यस
Yes, please.
Can you repeat your question, please?
As you have mentioned in your speech that alcohol consumption is harmful for the heart.
Okay. So the overconsumption of alcohol is harmful for our heart. As we mentioned, as blood vessels and heart, when blood enter the bloodstream, it acts to delicate blood vessels. This cause the heart beat quickly, which cause heart attack. Furthermore, high BP in increased flow of blood to skin, excessive heat and dehydration.
See, miss, this point you are mentioning is our point in a smoking, and we have googled it. So you are just saying the opposite of our point.
Smoking is also Causes of heart attack.
let me answer this answer this question. See, as you have mentioned that cardiovascular
Let him finish.
alcohol consumption is attacking our cardiovascular system.
Yeah.
I would totally not agree with this. As it is beneficial for our cardiovascular system. It liberates. It increases the blood flow in our heart.
How does it beneficial?
It increases the blood flow.
But it becomes a stroke,
No,
and it causes a stroke.
polluting the liver. Carbon monoxide is a gas which you inhale. Which you alcohol.
It is causing by smoking cigarette, not by taking alcohol.
Answers.
Sorry, can you repeat, please?
Mainly, you mentioned the CO2. CO2 is caused by the smoking cigarette, not by taking alcohol.
CO2.
CO2. You are mentioned the CO. Okay, CO.
I didn't mention CO or CO2.
Your teammate mentioned the word CO.
Answer it, please. You have mentioned nothing.
Okay, I'm agreed with you. I taken it by mistake. Sorry.
Okay.
Chalo, on time, 1 point goes to them. 1 point goes to them. Now, please. अब चांस खत्म हो गया, अब इनकी चांस है. Please. सुनिए सही से so that you can counter the question.
Instead of taking alcohol, in a moderate amount of taking alcohol, that is 1 to 2 drink per day, which help in our cardiovascular health, which is help in the lower risk of heart, and enhance the social connection and reduce stress. But if we when we take our drugs, it cause a very harmful in our every organ of our body. It block our flow of blood. It affect on our lungs, which is very effective things, which is caused by the cigarette.
I acknowledge your point, but with adding to it, I mentioned this point that after smoking you can release your stress, and after taking alcohol you can also. But after the circumstances which passed by some time, what about your senses? After taking much more alcohol, with the intoxication you are taking the amount of smoking also, you lose your senses, and after which you can perform any of the activities which can affect your surroundings. But after smoking you can't do it. After smoking you are in your discipline of your mind, and you can control yourself. But after taking wine, rum, or any other intoxication in the form of liquid, you can't control yourself. And as per the states, I can mention this, that many of the rapes, as I have mentioned before, are conducted after taking alcohol.
The debate is about how the drinking and smoking affect our body.
Yes,
and
yes,
which is
it's
more
how it
priority.
is more dangerous.
It is
I'm
not
saying.
about
How
only
it's
a
more
rape case and
dangerous
what
in
you,
all of
what
the
you
ways.
perform after the taking alcohol. It is not about
dangerous.
Which
What?
is more dangerous? How it affect? It's not the biology class, my dear. It's about what is
No,
more dangerous.
I know it is not a biology class,
Yes.
but it is a mention that what is most dangerous for our body.
Yes, alcohol.
I don't think it is not alcohol.
So put your points, na. We are putting our points. Simple.
Can you tell me alcohol is made up of which things?
It's wine. It's not alcohol. Alcohol are methanol, ethanol, and other harmful elements.
Basically, alcohol is made up of this thing.
Only wine is made
No,
up of.
no. Wine, brandy,
rice,
whiskey, all things are made up of these things.
Fermentation of rice and grapes is formed. Will form wine, not alcohol.
Grapes is made up. Wine is made up of grapes. Wine.
If you want to know the differences, just mash the grapes and drink it, and I will bring two alcohol and drink it, and let's see
No, and please tell me, cigarette is made
how
up
it
of.
is more dangerous. I can prove this. I can
How
bring
cigarette is made up
2
of?
bottles of
Nahin,
wine and
please,
alcohol.
please
Both.
tell me.
Cannabis plant. is not only a plant. There are more than 70,000 chemicals are used in making of cigarette. In making of cigarette, there are also a radioactive element is also used, which is polonium 210.
It's your choice. You can make your cigarette with kesar badam, but I am putting my
Also
point
a-
that it is
also
more
your choice,
dangerous.
it
It's
is
more
also your
dangerous.
choice, you make also a kesar badam
So no,
alcohol.
so you are
So it
putting
is
that
your choice,
there are
not our choice.
70,000 categories of cigarette na. I am also, if you can only use
there
one
are
element
alcoholic
by
also-
making
there
alcohol,
are-
it's
there
more
are-
dangerous in
there
your
are alcohol
lifestyle
also
and
divided
your
into
surroundings.
wine, beer,
Please answer me that.
what?
How it is more dangerous than an alcohol? It's affecting my surroundings and my family members. After taking a genuine smoke, you can't beat your family and your children's. But in a common family, after drinking an alcohol, any of the men or women beats his family and like lose their control of mind. How
It
can
is
you prove
about-
that
it
after
is-
smoking you
firstly
can do
have
that?
Firstly, you have to know what is our topic.
Yes,
It is-
how it is more dangerous,
it
and
is-
this is how it's more dangerous.
which is dangerous for our body.
Which
not for
ingredients
our
are used?
social adaptability, social habit.
Dangerous for us, and us includes all the environment, brain and body.
See,
Okay.
gentlemen, as you have mentioned in your point that alcohol is in alcohol comes by taking alcohol we loses our senses.
Yes,
But we are in a defense academy and we are preparing for NDA.
We are a social being first.
Let me finish. Soldiers in low temperatures use alcohol and do not loses their senses. And
It's over, not over. It varies by situations. But in a common family, there is not a major amount of army officers in this country. There is common peoples in a
Common
major
people
way
also.
in this country who consume alcohol in a large number
see
and perform many
see
of the activities which can harm their surroundings.
see, gentlemen, there are common people also who drink.
Also, there are army also. There are a major number of
See.
common peoples in this country
See,
and this
you
world.
are talking about overconsumption of alcohol. I am taking that common people are also using alcohol and they are not losing their senses.
Give me the states. I am giving you the states that
Wait a minute.
half of the rapes are open-minded and half of the rapes are conducted after taking alcohol.
Okay. If you want to, what is a cigarette affect our environment? Then when pregnant women take cigarette, it will affect her child, which is dangerous for
I
her.
acknowledge your point, but how it is
And
more
also-
dangerous than it?
Also, if a common people cigarette 5 to 10 cigarettes per day, their life span will be decreases by 10 to 20 years.
Again, it varies from person to person. If you want to drink
It
more
is
beer,
also-
how can I stop
You tell the story about all the people who drink excessive amount of alcohol. Not every people drink
There
excessive
is a major
amount of
part
alcohol.
of the population who is drinking majorly and doing something
So
like
it is
that.
also many person you can see who taking cigarette 5 to 10 cigarette as a per day
Hmm.
and above this. So it also affect the life of our family.
Yes, I acknowledge your point. By smoking, he is only affecting his own life.
No,
Yes,
if
And
you
also
by the chance-
when the
by the
smoke
chance-
gets to the environment,
If-
other people sitting nearby him affects from him. But after taking alcohol, majorly he can perform any of the tasks which are as compared to smoking are more dangerous.
How can you say he can majorly perform a task by drinking alcohol? The
Experience,
alcohol is
states, news, data.
Everybody speak, please. Anshuman ji, boliye.
Yes, sir.
After drinking alcohol, people lose their mind, but after smoking, they do not lose their mind. They are in control of their mind. How can you say that smoking is more dangerous than alcohol?
By smoking,
Please
then
also speak, please. Please answer it.
Okay, consumption of alcohol lose our mind, but consumption of smoke lose their lungs.
Also, alcohol can destroy their lung, brain, and cells, etc.
It needs a time period to destroy their lungs. Please mention
आप
it.
भी बोलिए, बात
Please
करिए.
mention it.
No,
That
no.
It takes a long duration to
Basically, alcohol is used for in medicine purpose and blood clotting. में मतलब
to flow the
decrease.
blood.
first chemical. It's a chemical composition which can be derived from
things to things and terms to terms. If you can use drugs into medications, it's good for your body. But if you can take it in another way,
Do you know any point? Do you know any substance which is in using in cigarette and also used for a medicine purpose?
No.
So, but alcohol is also used in medicine
As you said,
purpose.
as you said earlier, like after smoking,
Please let Ms. Pathak speak.
after smoking, if a pregnant woman smoking, it does is affect their fatal, right? You
Yeah.
have mentioned it.
Yeah.
After a pregnant woman, is consuming the alcohol, it also affect the fatal by in the development of their brain. It is more dangerous than it.
No,
Yeah,
smoking is more dangerous because
because
it direct damage placenta. That is connect mother womb.
and alcohol is more dangerous because it direct effect on brain.
It effect on brain. That
Right.
baby get fetus get.
मतलब आप इस चीज को कैसे जस्टिफाई कर रहे हो कि एक बच्चा अभी वो आया भी नहीं है और उसका ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट
अच्छा,
रुक रहा
ठीक
है
है,
और आप कह
उसका-
रहे हो कि अल्कोहल
ओके
डेंजरस
ओके
नहीं है.
ओके उसका ब्रेन डेवलप हो रहा है, वो बच्चा हो तो जा रहा है ना, उसका तो प्लेसेंटा ही खत्म
भाई,
है,
अगर वो
वो बच्चा
पागल-
तो हो ही गई नहीं ना,
अगर वो पागल होगा तो वो तो हमारे सोशल लाइफ पे इफेक्ट करेगा ना.
और वो बच्चा होगा ही नहीं तो.
अरे भाई आप ये ऐसे कैसे बोल रहे हो?
See, Ms. Pathak, as you are mentioning in your speech again and again that it is harmful for our brain and our senses.
Yeah.
By smoking, I think air is less denser. You know, air is less denser and it vaporizes quickly. So if
Just
we
explain me how does a smoke affect your lungs in brief? Just explain me.
I'm not a biology student and you are asking a question.
Keeping chemistry aside and talking about the normal circumstances after taking alcohol. After smoking, you need a large duration to be affected by it in the form of cancer and in the form of lungs disturbance. But after just minutes after taking alcohol, you can perform such activities, you can harm. It's all about harming the environment and yourself after taking that component, and that is alcohol. Okay. Which is more harmful than cigarette.
Why you are always
If you can
going to
if
the
you can
that
take
thing?
cigarette for the large duration, day by day, you can get affected by it. But if you take alcohol, just few glasses, you can affect your body, your brain, your surroundings, your environment, and you can perform those cases in your environment that can affect someone's life, even death.
See, gentlemen, you are explaining that overconsumption of alcohol is just taking. If he drinks alcohol, just after 2 minutes he performs such activity. So you are considering every person and every common man of this country as a killer, as a criminal, as a rapist who drinks alcohol.
yes.
Why are you considering it?
Maximum number of
There are
consumers.
I think if you said by my member that the army man drink alcohol, you can say that there are many person who are common people, not the army man. But in a common people also, the excessive amount
Yes.
amount of a drinker are many in lower number. There are many common people who
taking a moderate number of alcohol consuming day by day, every day, it also affects your body. It affects your whole body.
yeah, it is also taken by a cigarette.
And
It also affect our the organ of everybody. In making of cigarette, formaldehyde is used, which is used in preserve the body in a biological lab. So, do you know what type of thing you are smoking? Formaldehyde, which is preserved as a body in biological lab, you inhale it. So, how you tackle this?
I have one question for you. If you are saying, listen, if you are saying that smoking is more dangerous, then why smoking addictive nature is considered worse than the alcohol's addictive nature?
Smoking addictive nature is considered as worse because it contains nicotine in it, in making of it.
What is nicotine?
Nicotine is a chemical which is used in making cigarettes.
Nicotine is a hormone.
I'm not a biology student. I'm just.
Then
See,
if you don't know
she
the real
just-
answer, then why?
She just asked me the chemical.
Biology.
See, let me finish.
student,
Let me finish.
Okay.
don't use
Let me
biology
finish.
wrong
Wait,
term.
Nicotine is also used. So, smoke addiction छुड़ाने के लिए भी nicotine को use
That's Nicotex. That's Nicotex. Nicotex.
Nicotine होता है उसमें. It
That-
is used.
Nicotex.
Nicotine-
Listen, Nicotex is a component of nicotine.
Season oxides used for
That-
stop smoking.
See,
It is used
See,
for
in-
medication, right? It is used for medication,
see.
right? How could you say no? How could you say no?
One करवा.
Like if it is no, if it is wrong, then alcohol में जो chemicals use होते हैं, अगर उन्हीं का कोई form अगर किसी medication में use होता है, तो वो भी किसी reform होकर के तब use होता है. As it is नहीं use होता है. और जो as it is होता है alcohol का वो हमारी body के लिए dangerous होता है.
But smoking is cigarette is mainly made up of tobacco. And please
Anything of the components which it is made up of, how it is affecting our environment badly from compared with alcohol.
Each and every time, why you go to just ingredients, not a,
Using its components, its chemical formulas, you can not describe the
Alcohol,
effects of
Gentlemen,
in our government.
you just asked the chemical name from us. We don't. We are not.
Acha, listen to me. Why each and every time you just go to ingredients? You are not discussing about its effects, and
What was your question? Please repeat it.
each and every time, why you just go to the ingredients?
What's your question? Please repeat it. You
I'm
will get
just-
your answer.
First, listen to me. First, listen to me. Why each and every time you just go to the ingredients? You
You
not
are-
listen to.
Questioning my point. I need the question. I want to answer again.
First question.
You will
The
get
way-
your answer.
Listen, the way you are telling the things is not the correct way. You just again going to the ingredients and ingredients. You are not understanding the main thing, or it's how much it is harmful or dangerous or hazardous. Our topic is how alcohol is or smoking is dangerous, not of which ingredient it is made up of.
Miss, your question was that what makes smoking harmful than drinking alcohol? I mentioned the chemical name. That was your question, and that's my answer.
Okay, that was true. But I am saying to you that each and every time, why you go to just ingredients, not
You asked, Miss, why you are going to the ingredients. You asked. Your question was that.
Okay, you answered it. Now another question is this: that how can you explain this that is more harmful? We
Just
are
explain
studying
this.
the topic, please
Why-
answer that. I
if
have
you're saying that-
explained you four
See,
questions.
listen. If you're saying that smoking is hazardous,
You can
in which
search
way?
everywhere. Nicotine is a chemical which is
We are
highly
not going to
addictive.
search. You need to tell. You need to tell
Please talk about the effects, how it is more dangerous.
how it is affecting to our society.
As a person, if I take me as a person, if I
Okay.
smoke here,
Okay.
if the smoke it will get around us, and it will get everybody, it will affect everybody's lungs, and it will affect our environment and plants and trees also.
Okay, listen to me. Let me listen.
A gun in a tank.
Listen.
Is alcohol and the gun is smoke.
Listen. Let me
How
tell
can
you.
you prove it that a gun is a?
sector. It's imaging a small sector
How?
and small amount of people in
Why
a
are you
small way.
comparing?
Why are you comparing a gun and a
Yes.
tank? How can you prove it?
Okay, listen.
Example.
Just we are proving our point.
Example.
But both are
I
different.
take it.
I can't take it as an example.
Listen, you are saying that smoking is more harmful. Now let me tell you some social and economic consequences which my point will prove with facts. So socially, alcohol consumption leads to the family problems like domestic violence, child abuse and neglection, which is extremely devastating, brutal and disgusting for one's family. It also leads to relationship issues, crimes and violence like separation, divorce and conflicts.
Recent example of Kolkata case.
Okay, now wait. Let me finish. Let me finish.
you
Let
can
me
finish
finish.
it.
Economically, also, consumption has a substantial impact which can result in significant loss to both individual and health cares also. Family has to suffer the crime and related costs such as a law, as a court, or another economic burdens also.
If you
And wait, let me finish. The economic burden can also be devastating to the family, which leads to the lost income, financial and instability and unemployment. But if you're saying smoking, it's more, dangerous. So the expenditure, or you can say the expense of smoking, or if you buy cigarettes, that is its cost is very low. But if you are going to buy alcohol, its cost is very high also. And one more thing which I wish to cover is that somewhere or the other, the alcoholism is a significant contributing factor to the sexual assault, and approximately 50% of the sexual assaults are due to the alcohol consumption only. And one more thing, that not only the drunkards but the family of drunkards, family, society, and the country also has to suffer. Not only the drunkards are going to suffer from this. And listen, it does not show the instant smoking does not show the instant reaction, but alcohol shows it.
Firstly, I'm taking the point you mentioned that alcohol is very expensive and cigarette is less expensive than alcohol.
Okay.
So you can buy the alcohol as a cheap amount, but you can but the increase rate of our affecting body will so that firstly I tell you that cheap things have more buyer. Okay.
What, please repeat.
Cheap things have more buyer.
Okay.
Cigarette is cheap. Now at a teenager age, every student who is preparing for any exam like JEE Mains and by taking only a JEE Mains, there are many exams at the teenager age. They smoke cigarette because it is cheap, and they can't take alcohol as much as amount as compared to cigarette, which is affect in their body.
Listen,
So,
the thing which I was telling to you that listen.
Which come under cigarette comes
just
also
wait a minute.
under the
Just
alcohol,
wait a
but the
minute.
crime
I
detection
taking one by one.
Wait.
I taking one by one point. I taking
Listen.
point one by one.
I want to give you first point,
What?
which is the student who is preparing his
He smoke cigarette.
He
Smokes.
for their exam, etc. Right? If he smokes one cigarette, but he consume one bottle of alcohol.
What is more dangerous?
Which is more dangerous? You tell me. You tell me.
रात में पीने के बाद पढ़ पाएगा? Can you afford?
Can you firstly you mentioned that alcohol is you can say that you can say firstly you have to listen what other person what say. Okay, if you can mention your team member mentioned that alcohol is very expensive, so how teenagers can buy it?
Listen.
How-
Why I
how
told
one
it to you?
bottle-
You're not.
अब डिफेंस एग्जाम क्रैक करना हुआ और भी आसान। त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी लेकर आए हैं बिल्कुल ही एडवांस लर्निंग ऐप। तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें और स्टार्ट करें अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस।